Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something incredibly exciting for you. We're going to be diving deep into one of the most innovative platforms that are truly transforming the affiliate marketing game. Yes, we're talking about Striker. So what is Striker, you ask? Well, it's cutting-edge affiliate marketing software that's making it easier for advertisers and publishers to optimize their campaigns. In this review, we'll unpack everything you need to know about it. First off, one of the key aspects that sets Striker apart is its commitment to transparency. With Striker, you have real-time tracking and reporting features. You'll see exactly how your campaigns are performing. And that kind of insight can be incredibly valuable. And let's talk about targeting. In today's saturated online environment, reaching the right audience can be quite a challenge. But thanks to Striker's proprietary algorithms, it becomes way easier. Striker uses data analytics to identify and target specific demographics, ensuring your ads are seen by the people most likely to convert. Now, when it comes to managing campaigns, it's all about efficiency. Striker really shines here by providing a streamlined workflow with easy-to-use tools for tracking performance and communicating with partners. You can focus more on your strategy and less on juggling tasks. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of Striker is its use of artificial intelligence. With Striker's AI, your campaigns are optimized in real time. This not only saves you time and resources, but also boosts your overall performance. It's like having a secret weapon. And lastly, Striker understands that every advertiser and publisher has unique needs. That's why they offer a range of customization options. Whether it's custom targeting, custom reporting, or custom integrations, Striker can tailor their platform to meet your requirements. Overall, Striker is revolutionizing the affiliate marketing industry by being transparent, effective, and user-friendly. If you're in the world of affiliate marketing, this platform is certainly worth your attention. Thank you for joining us for this review of Striker. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more comprehensive reviews and tutorials. And if you've used Striker or have any questions, leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.